This list isn't for all the movie lovers who genuinely go for amazing storytelling and don't think twice when they look at a movie poster without an A-list celebrity. The purpose of the list is to remind people who go to watch all blockbusters every weekend that these movie gems existed and didn't do well at the box office at all. Such movie gems should overpower filth in a heartbeat. And to remind us all, here is Tried and Refused Productions with top 8 Bollywood cult classics you won't believe were flops. Number 8 goes to Maqbool. I refuse to believe that a genius like Vishal Bharadwaj, who is the master in cinematically portraying Shakespeare, does not have an audience to cater to. Not only is Maqbool one of the best on-screen adaptations of Macbeth, but it is one of the most intense and engaging performances by an ensemble cast.
कोई नया राड़ा शुरू नहीं करने का अपन को, हाँ? अब भोसले कभी हामी नहीं देगा उसको लाने की।
तो फिर मेरा लाफा खाएगा बीच बाजार में खड़ा। पूछ उससे।
Irfan Khan as the troubled and aspirational Macbeth and Tabu as the conspiring Lady Macbeth are captivating and engaging to watch. Maqbool, which did horribly at the box office, is definitely remembered as one of Vishal Bharadwaj's best work. Number 7 goes to Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro. At the time where only action movies with over-the-top theatrics or a romantic story with A-list actors was working, Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro was way ahead of its time. With extremely underrated actors like Nasruddin Shah, Pankaj Kapoor, Satish Shah and Om Puri to name a few, the movie was a dark satire on the rampant corruption in Indian politics, bureaucracy, news media and business. From great acting to such well choreographed and thought after scenes, the movie finds an extremely unique way to get its message across. The Mahabharat scene yet to this day has to be one of the funniest sequences in Bollywood.
यार क्या कर रहे हो? तुम्हें द्रौपदी का चीर हरण करना है?
नहीं, द्रौपदी जैसी सती नारी को देखकर मैंने चीर हरण का आइडिया ड्रॉप कर दिया।
A movie with so many great qualities sadly did way below average at the box office. Number 6 goes to Laksh. What has to be one of the most underrated movies created by Farhan Akhtar has to be Laksh. A genuinely told coming-of-age story with powerful and charming performances by the leads Hrithik Roshan and Preeti Zinta. It's a movie which showcases the imperfections of life, be it companionship, family or even war. Every avenue has conflict and its ups and downs. What's beautiful about this movie is its depiction isn't overly dramatized or corny. It's real.
आपने मुझे जिंदगी में क्या कुछ नहीं दिया, लेकिन मैंने आपको सिर्फ दुख ही दिया है।
करण, तुम ये सब क्या कह रहे हो करण?
आप ये मत समझिएगा कि मुझे इस बात का एहसास नहीं।
Laksh sadly was not at all a box office success, but resonates so much with us even today. From the young boy running away from the Indian Military Academy, transitioning into fighting for his own country, the movie is beautiful. Number 5 goes to Rockstar. A lot of people would argue that Rockstar is not a perfect movie, and I have to agree that it isn't. Be it seeking what is really driving JJ to write songs, the lack of chemistry between the two leads, or even the choppy editing in the movie. But this movie is considered to be a cult classic for the sheer pain and journey Ranbir Kapoor takes us through, complemented by the beautiful and, in my opinion, one of the best collection of songs in a Bollywood movie. He embodies JJ so beautifully and emotes his pain so effortlessly that you seem to get lost in his journey.
ये सब कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे नहीं बनना बड़ा। मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए करण भाई, मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए।
Rockstar is not for everyone, but it became the classic it is because of the dreamers who seek for that inspiration and finally have it, who truly feel the pain and find an avenue to express it. Be it Kun Faya Kun or even Sadda Haq, this movie and Ranbir especially transport you into JJ's world. Sadly, Rockstar was not a box office success, but it definitely touched everyone's heart.
हाँ, I love you. गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा मेरी, तू और मैं रॉक कर देंगे, बता रहा हूँ, सोच के देख.
Number 4 goes to Agnipath. To think that a movie which was later remade was actually a flop is so beyond my understanding. One of Amitabh Bachchan's most iconic roles as Vijay Dinanath Chauhan is one of the finest original Indian revenge stories written and showcased. The story is inspired by a poem of the same name written by Bachchan's father, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. What was considered the downfall of the original movie was considered to be its over-dramatic equations and, more importantly, Amitabh Bachchan's dialogue delivery.
विजय दीनानाथ चौहान पूरा नाम बाप का नाम दीनानाथ चौहान.
He tried to emulate a Marlon Brando in The Godfather, and it did not go down well with the audience or the critics. It was only when he received a national award for portraying the immortal character, Vijay Dinanath Chauhan, that people started looking at Agnipath in a different light. With iconic characters people still talk about today, it's shocking to see that Agnipath was a box office failure. Number 3 goes to Silsila. Everyone had very high expectations from this movie. There are many reasons for this. For starters, it was loosely based on the real-life love triangle between the 3 lead characters, Amitabh Bachchan, Jaya Bhaduri and Rekha. That was much talked about at that time. How in the first place all the 3 actors agreed to do the movie is any director's dream project. It was one of the most romantic films from Yash Raj's banner. From great music to intense performances, Silsila yet failed. This was the last time Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha would be on screen together. A movie that looks at the tough and complicated issues that emerge in relationships. Not many movies focused on those kind of topics during that era. Maybe that's the reason it tanked at the box office.
अमित मेरे पति हैं, मेरा धर्म है, वो मेरा प्यार है, और प्यार मेरी किस्मत बन चुका है.
But it cannot be disputed that this movie was extremely well made and executed. Number 2 goes to Andaz Apna Apna. The audience upon the release of this movie dismissed it as trivial and inconsequential. To think that such a movie averaged horribly at the box office, and movies of today like Houseful have 3 installments is crazy to say the least. What makes this movie stand out is not the script, but the characters. The chemistry and brotherly bond between Salman and Amir is infectious, and each supporting cast member is lovable in their own crazy, innocent way. With a hilariously written script, Andaz Apna Apna is a movie constantly rewatched.
सर ये आप उल्लू समझ रहे हैं? उल्लू? हाय ला, सर आपको उल्लू बोला, आपको गाली दी. अरे उल्लू गधा बेवकूफ तो मैं भी बोल सकता था, लेकिन मैंने बोला नहीं, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि जो आप शक्ल से दिखते हैं, वो है नहीं.
And may possibly have a sequel in the near future. It's sad that a movie like this tanked at the box office, but is loved by so many even today. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ, कुछ भी. मेरा मतलब चांद तारे ले आऊं, किला फतेह कर लूं, कोई कहानी.
मेरा नाम पूछना बेकार है. आज शाम का खाना मैं हॉस्टल में खाऊंगी. मुझे सिनेमा में देखने का कोई शौक नहीं.
जी
जी.
अब तुम इस खिलौने का खेल देखो.
एक चौथाई पॉपुलेशन की समस्या पूरी नहीं कर सकती है गवर्नमेंट.
सरकार कोशिश कर रही है, योजनाएं भी बना रही है.
हाँ, कोशिश कर रही.
Number 1 goes to Sholay. Can you imagine that the best on-screen camaraderie, the most iconic villain, and dialogues that are still remembered in casual conversation were all a part of a box office failure? Yes, Sholay was a flop movie and only later attained the status it has today. The movie had little to no marketing and was severely looked down upon by the critics.
बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना.
The disappointment made Ramesh Sippy consider reshooting the end so Amitabh Bachchan's character could live. However, after being helped additionally by a soundtrack release containing dialogue snippets, Sholay became an overnight sensation. Talk about a cult classic that was a flop. People still talk about this movie and every single aspect in it. There were some movies that we missed out on, and also give us some suggestions for future videos ahead.
Ordering something healthy kind of gave you away.
Pizza खाना है कि नहीं? Thank you for watching.
नहीं.